guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing haul slash skincare review for products that YesStyle sent me as part of their skincare starter set campaign. So I'm just going to be unboxing it for you guys and trying a few products to let you know what I think about it. So yeah, if you like the video, just make sure to comment, like, subscribe, whatever you feel like doing. Yeah, let's get started.
First, we're going to start off with the unboxing. I got the Dear Klairs Supple Preparation Facial Toner in the unscented type. Then I got the Unique Daily Serum Trial Kit, which comes with 3 different types of serum, as well as the Sun By Me Yuja Niacin 30 Days Brightening Starter Kit with 4 pieces, and the Dear Klairs Sheet Mask 1 piece in 2 types, Midnight Blue and Rich Moist Soothing Tensile Sheet Mask. First step is to cleanse your face, but I already went ahead and did that, so we're just moving on to toner using the Supple Preparation Unscented Toner. It's an essential oil-free type toner that's formulated with a base of various botanical extracts to balance the skin's pH level and provide full nourishment to the skin. So what you're going to want to do is just pat the product into your palms and then pat it all over your face until your skin fully absorbs it. I just smothered it, but you know, it works the same way, tomato, tomato. Next, I use the Rose Galactomyces Synergy Serum, and you want to apply an appropriate amount onto your face using the eyedropper, and then just, you know, absorbed and just pat it all over. And it's great for rebalancing, moisturizing, and nourishing all skin types, especially oily skin, which is why I chose to use this, because I have an oily T-zone. So yeah, you're just going to want to, you know, kind of pat it, smother it all over until it's fully absorbed. Next, I decided to try the Yuja Niacin Brightening Moisture Gel Cream. Its cool glacier water prevents melanin production caused by the high temperature of the skin, and the vitamin C of the Yuja lightens the blemish and spots. So what you're going to want to do is just take an adequate amount and apply on the body and face whenever needed, and then you're just going to massage gently until fully absorbed. It can be applied multiple times whenever feeling irritated on the skin during outdoor activities, since it quickly absorbs into the skin. So yeah, you're supposed to do this with the rest of the Yuja products, but I just wanted to try out the gel cream, so I just did that next step because it's supposed to be after the serum. Last, I applied the Dear Klairs Rich Moist Soothing Tensile Sheet Mask, and it's supposed to be done on a cleaned or toned face, but I wanted to try all of the products, so I just decided to put it on. And what you're going to do is just, you know, rip off the packaging and place the sheet mask onto your face for 15 to 20 minutes. And it's supposed to help with soothing sensitive, irritated, and inflamed skin. And this would be more so for daytime use. The other sheet mask that I was given is the Midnight Blue Calming Sheet Mask, and that's more so for nighttime skincare. So it wasn't exactly night yet, so I just tried the Rich Moist Soothing Tensile Sheet Mask. But yeah, just make sure that there are no air bubbles and it's completely sealed on your face so you can get as much essence as possible. After 20 minutes, I removed the sheet from my face, and I'm going to pat in any remaining essence into my skin for better absorption. And here are the final results. I enjoyed doing this video for you. My rewards code is vivvnguyenn22 and is also linked in the description below, so make sure to check it out. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time.